Hello everybody, this is G Mustafa at Sandhu Leaders. And today I am going to discuss about low self-esteem. A person having continuously thoughts of unworthiness, lack of confidence and feelings of inferiority complex all over his or her mind is better described as a person with low self esteem. People with low self esteem become hyper alert and can reject or shut down something immediately at very short notice or even without notice. Such people become very destructive if their pessimistic thoughts and feelings of unworthiness become constant. Most unpleasant and horrible occurs when a person with low self esteem starts moving along the path of self destruction. It can be because of any behavior, feat, poor academic performance, and rejection, etc. Most unpleasant and horrible occurs when a person with low self esteem starts moving along the path of self destruction. It can be because of any behavior, feat, poor performance, or rejection, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of self-esteem. Now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of low self-esteem in our professional life. Low self-esteem is the condition when you start looking down upon yourself and it leads to an increase in negativities in your life. Low self-esteem directly affects your efficiency by limiting you not to perform up to your maximum potential, and it all happens when you do not value yourself. And now I will move forward towards the discussion on causes of low self-esteem. The first reason or first cause I'm going to discuss over here is the trauma. Trauma is an emotional response to a terrible event like an accident, rape, or natural disaster. Immediately after the event, the shock and the denial, the behavior or the condition of trauma may occur, or this situation is typical. Longer terms reactions include unpredictable emotions, flashbacks, strained relationships, and even physical symptoms like headaches or nausea. Any previous issue or a recent abuse can be a cause of trauma. Trauma can hamper their entire emotional support because after going through a specific trauma of abuse, they may not feel themselves worthy of respect. A person starts feeling guilty or shameful. And number 5 is the negligent parents. Lack of attention and guidance from parents, that is, bad parenting, is one of the biggest reasons for low self-esteem. Parents pressurizes their kids because they expect from kid, but neglectful parents are different. They don't give a damn about their kids. If your parents discourage you in every aspect, it might lead to low self-esteem. And the cause of the number 6 is negative friends. Our friends are highly responsible for our low self-esteem. Because when they look down upon you, it might cause low self-esteem within you. We, human beings, tend to shape our thoughts according to the opinions of our friends, our colleagues, and our relatives. Thank you very much for your attention.